Okay, so you've seen these cool little videos that Google VO3 is able to produce now, and you know the problem is Google VO3 is very expensive to start with, around $250 at this stage, just to join up for a monthly fee. Now there is some ways around it. They still do cost a little bit of money, but nothing like $250 to create videos. Anyway, the way I'm using make.com and this Fal.ai. So I'll show you, let's have a look at make.com and just see exactly where we're at with that. Okay, so here we have make.com automation that creates Google VO3 videos. Perhaps I'll talk you through this perhaps first. That might be the best way to start. Okay, so we have a Fal.ai API call. And basically, you create a connection. Now, to create a connection, you need to go into Fal.ai and get yourself an API key. It's a very simple process. Fal.ai, just search it in Google, and you'll be able to get an API key. Now, there is a bit of a downside in you do have to put in a little bit of money. For example, I put in $20 just as to buy some API credits for Fal.ai. Not only do they have VO3, they also have a number of different, well, seemingly hundreds of different models that are available, kind of on a pay-per-use basis. For example, Flux/Dev, that's one, and there's hundreds of others, and there's some really good ones. Now, with this API call, we use the method post. Content type is application/JSON, and now importantly, the body. The body needs to be a JSON with the key as prompt, and the string as basically what you want the video to create. So we'll leave that. We won't run that in this case because it costs about $6 US a video for an 8-second video. Don't have any desire to spend $6 on one I've already created. So let's close that. Here, now importantly, it takes a little while for Fal.ai to connect to VO3 and actually create that video for you. But so here I've got 180-second delay. The last one I tried took me 90 seconds. It may go up and down depending on the time of day you actually create the video, because there's obviously different usage at different times. Here we have get a file, and to get a file here, you'll see the response from Fal.ai make an API call here, and the one you want is the one called the response URL. There's also a status URL and a cancel URL. Status tells you where the particular creation of a video is up to. Cancel, I'm assuming, cancels the creation of the video halfway through, but we won't run that for obvious reasons. So the one you want is definitely the response URL. And then we use this particular HTTP request gets a file using that response URL, and then all we do then is save it to, in this case, I'm saving it to my Google Drive into GPT Image 1 folder, which is just incidental that I've called it that. And what we get, I'll play this one that I had previously. Let's have a look. Let's play him away, and you'll get an idea of what it's all about. It's going to let me play. I'll drag myself over here. Let's try this. Okay, I'm not sure if the audio on that came through, but let's pause it, sorry. I'm not sure how well the audio came through, but that's a simple example of using that prompt to create a video based on Google VO3. Unfortunately, that one cost me $6 to create that 8-second video, but that's a lot cheaper than $250 if you ask me. And not just if you ask me, just in literal mathematics. So anyway, thank you very much.